2 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and Somerset. In southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, eastern Montgomery, flood watch in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon. Other low-lying flood-prone locations. Additional details. Thunderstorms with locally heavy rain are expected across the watch area this afternoon and this evening. Widespread rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts are possible. These totals may result in flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The following is a widespread rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts are possible. These totals may result in flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch remains in effect.